Hi, let's study Ponderal Index today, a concept in pediatrics which you should understand before attempting questions on intrauterine growth retardation. So Ponderal Index is basically the proportion of the baby. Proportion meaning the relation between the head, the length of the baby and the weight, not just big or small. It is given by the formula as shown above. Fetal weight in grams divided by length in centimeter cube, and we can also multiply it by 100 so that we can just avoid the decimals. So if we take a normal baby is somewhere like 3 kgs and 50 centimeter in length. If we do all the calculations, 3000 divided by 50 centimeter whole cube multiplied by 100 to get rid of the decimals, you will come around 2.4. Ponderal index more than equal to 2 is normal. It is either normal or it is symmetrical IUGR. Symmetrical IUGR meaning the whole baby is small, the head is small, the body is small, the length is small, and it is bad. Symmetrical IUGR is bad. It is seen in conditions like as chromosomal anomalies and infections in early pregnancy. And symmetrical IUGR is bad. Okay. Now coming to Ponderal index less than 2, it is seen in asymmetrical IUGR, usually in placental insufficiency. It is seen in third trimester, and by that time the head is already formed, the length is already formed. The only thing which is sacrificed is fat and weight. That is why if you just put in this formula, the grams decreases, length is already achieved. So the whole Ponderal index, the formula, the value becomes small. That is why it is less than 2. Now associated to this, a very high yield previous year question is in asymmetrical IUGR, basically in placental insufficiency, there is late deceleration in CTG, Cardiotocography. And if you compare it with head compression, there is early deceleration in CTG. This question is usually asked in OBG, but this is how you connect pediatrics and OBG. So it's a very high yield question. You can just remember why this mnemonic. UPI transaction is late. Okay, UPI, the phone transaction is late, meaning UPI, uteroplacental insufficiency, is late deceleration. This is the write-up of what I taught in the video. You can just take a screenshot if you wish to save it. And this is one of the flashcards on intrauterine growth retardation, symmetrical versus asymmetrical. So you can just take a screenshot. And we'll try to discuss this in one of the next videos. See you.